Let's look at another exciting feature of the USTech UC Client platform, SMS text messaging. USTech can make your business telephone number text message capable and give you the ability to send and receive unlimited text messages via USTech portal or our USTech mobile app. First, let's look at SMS texting through the USTech portal. The first thing you want to do is go to voip.ustech.com, our URL, enter your username and password, which will be provided by your admin or a USTech support tech. After you get to the welcome screen, go here to Messages. You can then use the drop-down window to select text or chat. We're going to select text for this demonstration. You can choose from these messages here and simply go to the message, type out what you want to say. Hit enter, and there you go, it's off. You can send an attachment by hitting the attachment right here. Click something on your computer, hit open. It'll show here, and then all you need to do is, if you want to type something else in again, go ahead and hit enter again, and off it goes. And I am getting them on my cell phone right now. I've gotten both messages within 10 seconds. If you want to send a new text without going to one of your prior text messages, just hit the plus sign, hit new text, and type in the number that you want to text. You want to hit enter 2 times. That'll enable you to start typing your text message. But please note, if you hover over the number right here, you are now able to create a new contact or add to an existing contact right here. So that's a great feature too. Any new numbers that you want to create a contact for, you can do it right here by hovering over this number. And next, all you would do is write your text message out. You can do an attachment. You can do emojis. Also a great feature. Let's go to the ones that I've done previously. If you hover over this attachment, if someone sends you an attachment, you can hover over it and you can go ahead and download it to your computer. Very helpful. Now I'm going to show you how to do a group text. Hit the plus sign, hit new text. Go ahead and type in the first number. Hit enter. Type the second number. Hit enter. Let's type a third one. Hit enter again. Hit enter twice. And there you go. You have 3 numbers up here that you're about to send a text message to. You can create the contact there or there, whichever one you want to hover over. You can edit it. You can also call the number. You can email the person. Let's go ahead and send an attachment, and we're going to do that again. Open. Test message. And we're going to hit enter. And off it goes. Test message, and there's the attachment. So if you scroll up, you'll notice that your text message is right here. You can now click on these dots and edit this message. If you want to call it USTech group message. You can do that now. So now these numbers will be in this group text message, so you can look at this at any time. So you can click click on that at any time and send a message to these 3 people. And that's all there is to it. Now, let's see how the USTech SMS text messaging works on your USTech mobile app. On your settings page, press Messages. There you can see your previous messages that you've sent. You can click on one of those, just like you can see in your USTech portal, or you can click on the plus sign up top right, and you can start a new message. Just enter the number. And there you go. Press enter or return. You can now text your messages. You can add an attachment from your mobile app as well. And send. And there you go. It's as easy as that. And there it comes through on my cell phone. You can see what I just texted myself. Pretty quick, just like that, it goes through. And it's just like you're sending text messages on your cell phone, except it's coming from your business telephone number instead of your cell number. You can go ahead and click on Settings to go back to Messages. Go ahead and click on the plus sign again if you want to send multiple text messages. Click Return on your cell phone. Add another number. Click Return again on your cell phone. Add another number. And there you go. Type in your message. Add an attachment, add an emoji, and push send. And just like that, it's gone through. And there it comes up on my cell phone right there. So quick. And that's all there is to it.